Today we are from Hong Kong all the way to Korea on their B777-200ER. Hong Kong is an amazing culture, cuisine and cosmopolitan lifestyle. Also, Hong Kong is a good place to live. Hong Kong ranks as the 6th safest place in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you the Boeing and Airbus how different, the seats and the IFE screen how new they are. This aircraft, is it safe or dangerous in the world? Today's flight parked in Terminal 1 because Terminal 1 is the biggest terminal. From Hong Kong to Seoul, only 1,298 miles. Today's flight is not long. And finally, we arrive in Seoul. So join me on today's trip and let's get started. Beautiful good afternoon, guys, and today is my first time to travel Korean Air Boeing 787-9, but we changed the aircraft. It's Boeing 777-200ER. And now let's talk about Korean Air history, check in, and then let's head back to the gate. Korean Air. Yes, it's Korean Air. Well, Korean Air behind the scenes have so much history. In 1962, government of the Republic of Korea acquired Korean National Airlines, which was founded in 1946, and changed its name to Korean Airlines to become a state-owned airline. Also, the South Korean government nationalized many businesses to drive economic growth, including Korean National Airlines in 1962. 1962 to 1969 is the first Korean Air logo was created in 1962. In 1969 to 1984, the old Korean Air logo features an abstract depiction of a bird, which can also be interpreted as a plane. Finally, in 1984 until today, the updated logo seems to have been inspired by that of Pepsi, at least the O made up of blue and white comments looks very much like the circle from the logo of the legendary soft drink. KA Air used those DC-10s and 747s to dramatically open new service to the Middle East as well, starting from Bangkok to Bahrain flights shortly after this timetable published, and ultimately 7 destinations there by the early 1980s. And needed Korean neighbor to build them. By the mid-1990s, Korean Air had also covered the Americans with passenger flights to 11 destinations in the USA, Canada, and even Brazil. Alright, after the long history, and now let's check in. When you're traveling within the Korea, I would suggest you to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours prior to departure. For my today's flight, I was check-in progress through the Korean Air website. Finally, I'm going to the check-in area and collect my boarding pass. Korean Air is a soon G, so don't forget. Hong Kong Airport is the biggest airport in the world, so to welcome passengers has introduced a new service and facilities at HKIA. New facilities include Skybridge, the 2-story children playground, 24-hour food court, and more. Because today's flight have a lot of passengers boarding, so we changed the aircraft is B777-200ER. After quick check-in, and now I have my boarding pass. After I collect my boarding pass, and now let's go to the Skybridge first. So after we check in, and now let's head back to the gate. And finally, we made it in restricted area. After you enter the restricted area, you will feel boring, right? But not, because you can have some things to do in Hong Kong Airport. For example, before your flight have so much time, you can enjoy a Plaza Premium Lounge. This lounge has so much food to eat. Or you can go to Goving at Green Life Air with your family and friends. You can search on Hong Kong International Airport website to find out more new facilities. This is the best part I want to tell you. Sky Bridge. Starting today, passengers can conveniently travel between Terminal 1 and stately concourse at Hong Kong International Airport via Sky Bridge. Spanning a taxiway at the airport and is 28 meters above the ground, Sky Bridge is the world's longest airside bridge that allows the largest passenger aircraft called FIE A380 to pass under it. I can't show you the outside taxiway because the glass reflection inside the airport, but all in all, it's very good. And this is the Sky Bridge. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what do you think. Finally, I'm going to show you the inside airport area, Sky Deck. Inside the Sky Deck, it have a lot of Hong Kong International Airport information and history. Inside the Sky Deck area, you can learn more about terminal, what is it, and also you can see different planes parked in the gate. Taking us to Seoul today will be Hotel Lima 7766, a 2009 built Boeing 777-200ER. The plane design is the Airline standard design. Before our flight, let's see the seat map. First class total seats have 8 seats. Business class total seats have 28 seats. Finally, in economy class, seats total have 225 seats. And this is my seat, 47F, a middle seat. All in all, in this aircraft, total seats have 261 seats. Alright, and this is my boarding pass, 47F seat. Let's go. Oh my god, this is the business class seat. One day I can sit on it. So you can see this aircraft economy class seat is 333 configuration. Let's have a seat tour. A pillow for today's short flight. I will use it later. This pillow is so comfortable, love it. A headphone, I will also use it later. And a flat. When you during a flight get cold, you can also use it. Here is a standard tray table. And here is a IFE screen and a remote control. Inside the seat pocket, here is some safety card, bath bag, and more. All in all, this seat is normal. For me, 174 cm tall, the seat quite good. Also, I don't know why check-in area cabin crew will give me to sit on middle seat. I don't know why. I think maybe passengers transfer in Seoul to go to America. So that's why I'm in middle seat. And finally, we are pushed back, taxi and take off. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and you will not miss my next week's special video. I'm very boring because I'm middle seat and I can't see the window. Anyways, enjoy the flight.
On board Korean Air.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yet I know you'll never say nothing like this before.
Oh, thank you so much. Orange juice.
After we take off, now let's see tonight's flight dinner. In this flight they don't have food choice to choose it. Here are some fruits, salad, a cup of orange juice, a tableware with the 50th anniversary Korean Air logo, a bread roll with jam, And the main course is seafood noodles. Sounds delicious. Well, alright, and here is the Korean Air, the Boeing 777-200ER, and I want to say, because you know we are booked, this flight is Boeing 787-9, but we changed the aircraft is 777-200ER, but you know, I booked the seat is next to the window, but I don't know, the cabin crew or something else is bringing me to between the seat. But anyways guys, let's see this lavatory. Here is a tissue, some toothbrush and some cream, right? Maybe some, oh yeah, body and hand cream. And also here is the wash and some, here I think it's maybe very dirty, and it's so small but it's okay. Finally, let's talk about the Inflight IFE screen. The screen looks very old, but first see some special channels. Touch screen, it was slow and need more time to wait. Here is some movies you can watch. A TV channel, you can see TV video but not live. The third audio channel, but load very slow. Games channel, but I don't know why it said the content is blocked. A kiss channel, but very kiss style, so it's not for me. Finally, it's for Avigate mode, Aviation Live channel. All Avigate and travelers will love it. Good night, everyone.
Tomorrow.
After 3 hours, I was slept well. We are now ready for landing. Before my video end, you can check Simply Aviation A Korean Air B777-300ER to see how different the aircraft and the seats. Or you can watch Trick Trendy B747 Is It Best Than B777-300 and 200ER? All in all, I will give today's flight 80 marks out of 100 marks, because the lights was a little bit dark and the food no tasteless. Alright, here we are. Welcome to Seoul Incheon Airport. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bells on, and you won't miss out my next week's special video. With that, thank you so much for watching and thank you guys for your support. Jung Hanun Buni Seyo. I will be off to have a safe trip.